Hey, Mackenzie, it's a beautiful, actually, it's kind of cloudy, but it's pretty hot out today. Do you want to go to the beach? That's a great idea, Lexi. Let's go. I gotta go pack my things, so let's go pack our things first. Okay, agreed. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this will be awesome. I know. What are you gonna pack? And leopard print, and your bag is like really nice. I wish I had your bag, but they sold out. We raced to it. I know, I'm sorry, sis. And also, mine has mermaid scales on them. Yeah, that's a perfect beach theme. Okay, we'll pack my bag. What do you need in your bag? A towel. I don't know if I'll go in the water today, but I'm definitely digging a huge hole. I mean, that's what I always do. Yeah, and we're having a picnic. I might go near the water, but definitely not in it. Yeah, I don't think I'll go in the water too. Okay, let's go. Wait, let's see. Yeah? We definitely need some stuff from the store, so why don't we just go run to the store? I mean, we don't have a lot in our house that can go to the beach with. I mean, it all got like, we all donated and stuff. True. Also, we need new beach stuff. Okay, yeah, let's go. I'll bring my fish scale bag. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Hello, and welcome to my store. My name is Alexandra. If you need anything, I'll be right here. Okay, thank you. We're just looking for some stuff for the beach. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Do we need any food from here? We don't need ice cream, milk, or anything, or eggs, because it's not like we're baking a cake or anything. Okay, then what about over here? Let's see. Definitely some water. I mean, come on. Yeah, you're right. Okay, wait. Yeah? We're also going to need, like, some snacks. True. Good thinking, Lexi. Okay, so how about a salad and a pretzel? I'll buy the pretzel. I'll buy the salad. Okay. Okay, let's put it in. Okay, let's go. Hey, look into this aisle and ruined all the blankets. I don't know. I feel bad for the storekeeper. Yeah, but how about we buy one? I mean, we need a beach towel. You're right. And they also have a lot of the stuff that we're just going to need in general for our house. So let's buy a couple things that we don't even need for the beach. Okay, how about this beach towel? Okay. Okay, Kenzie, I got it. Don't call me Kenzie. Anyways, what do you need from here? Let me see. Okay, we're going to need some, let's see, definitely some soaps and conditioners. Need this beach towel. Let me stuff it in there. It's so big. And let's see, what do we need from here? I don't know, there's so many choices. I mean, let's see. We have this. Oh, this is new. It's like, come here, Lexi. It's like a facial scrub. Huh? I'm coming. Look, it's like a facial scrub. And do we need soap? No, we have soap. Okay, we definitely need sunscreen. We're gonna buy this. Okay, and hey, what's this? I have a question. What is this? I don't know. Oh, I think it's sunscreen. Yeah, me too. Let's put it in, okay? Okay, I think we're ready to check out. Okay, yeah, we definitely got enough. The floaties! That's for a pool. We can get that for a pool day. We can go camping this summer and a pool day. That's definitely on our bucket list. Yeah, we should create a bucket list. Wait, what are we going to do at the beach? I don't know. Should we buy a craft or something? I think we'll just do something. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah, this is probably too expensive for us. Let's go. You know I have an after-school job, right? I can pay for this stuff. Okay. That's all you have for today? Yes, this is all we have for today. Thank you. Would you like it all in a bag? Yes, please. Okay. We'll take this first. Beep. This. Beep. Where are you guys going? Oh, we're just going to the beach. Cool. I heard the beach in California was really nice. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go on vacation this year. Oh, that's not fine. Maybe some at-home stuff. Okay, you're all set. Anyways, what's our total? $50.99. Okay. Okay, thank you. Wait, do you have money? I forgot mine. Yeah. Okay, thanks, Lexi. You're a lifesaver. You're welcome. Here you go. Thank you. Okay, thank you for shopping with us. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Let's hit the waves. Wait, do we need anything else? Come on, let's go. Okay. Okay, I'll carry the bag, and we're all set to go to the beach. I can't wait. This is going to be such a fun day. I'm probably not going to go in the water, but still, let's go. Okay? Okay, we're at the beach. Why did you bring the chair? I could sit on it and not have sand everywhere when I sit down. I mean, on the blanket's not as comfortable on this new chair. Smart. Anyways, let's go sit up. Okay. Okay, I'm rolling out the blanket. Okay. Okay, the blanket's all rolled out. Let me help you bring this. Okay. Even though it's not that sunny out, we should still probably put on some sunscreen. You're right. Let's go get it. Okay. Okay, let me open up. Okay, let's see. Sunscreen. Gonna pull it out. What? What happened, Lexi? There's no sunscreen. It's Q-tips and cotton balls. How could it be not sun that this isn't sunscreen? Now we're gonna burn. Oh no, that's horrible luck. Well, we'll just have to buy sunscreen next time and make the most of it now. Okay. Some delicious salad will cheer me up. Yeah, and a pretzel for me too. This pretzel is so good. Yeah, and this salad is perfection. It was delicious. But how about now we go and look for shells. That's a great idea. Let's go. Look what I found. It's a huge rock. I'm gonna try and pick it up. We're looking for shells, so this won't work. This is a cool shell. I'll go give it to my sister. Hi, sis. Look what I found. It's a shell. Oh, you would look? I didn't. All I found was a huge rock. Well, let's keep going. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's kind of windy. Luckily, I brought my jacket. But at the same time, it's kind of hot. Whatever. Ooh, some nice shells and rocks. Whoa. Which one should I choose? Hey, this one is cool. Well, I think I'm done with collecting seashells. What do you want to do next? I mean, I don't really want to go in the water, and we don't have our bathing suits on and whatever. So I don't... Whoa, did you see that? That went over my head. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was crazy. Maybe we should be a little more... Whoa, carefuler. Wah! Wah! Oh my gosh. There's sand everywhere. Oh no. I don't know who the culprit of that was. Seriously. That was crazy. I mean, yeah, maybe it's just the wind. The wind's kind of picking up now. Yeah, agreed. What should we do? I mean, the wind's picking up. I don't know. I don't want to go back home just yet. I mean, the sun started shining. It's so nice out. How about we go for a walk? That sounds great. Let's go for a quick walk. Then I think we gotta go home. Yeah, maybe sit on our hotel for a little bit, but then go home. Yeah, the wind's picking up, and it's getting a little late. And I'm getting hungry again. Yeah, Mom probably is gonna cook us dinner. Yeah, and it's gonna be delicious. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Okay, let me get up you. I'm all sandy. Me too. Let me get up. Okay, it's been a long walk, so I'm probably just gonna relax and sleep in my chair and stuff because, you know, it's been a long walk. Why not? And me, I'm just gonna sunbathe. Hey, can you scoot your chair off the towel so I can sunbathe? Sure. Okay, I need to get up. I can't be like this on the beach. It's just not my profile pic. Anyways, she's asleep. I think it's time for a prank. I didn't bring a lot of stuff to the beach. What can I do with these? I mean, we're never gonna use them. Okay, they're all unpackaged. What should I do with these? Hey, these are perfect things to tickle her with. And imagine they're a bug. She's probably gonna think they're a bug. Okay, let me take one. I hate bugs too, so let me take one. Wake and wakey. It's time to wake up, sister. This is impossible. What next? Well, I don't have a lot of materials for pranking. I'm the prank queen. Just right now, I don't have a lot of materials. So, I got an idea. I could pack up all of my things since we're leaving soon, and then I can think, and then I'll walk away, and she'll be like, "Hey, where is everyone?" Well, aka me, and then she'll be like, "Oh my God, did she leave without me?" And when she meets me, I'll be like, "I called you, remember? You said okay, so I went. I was about to leave." And she'll be so scared, and then I'll be like, "I'm just kidding, it was a prank." Okay, I'm gonna go start packing up. I'm all packed up, and I'm going to head to the sidewalk and wake her up with like a big rock that's sledding at whatever. Then she'll be like, "Hey, where is I? Where am I?" So let me start moving. Oh no! No! Okay, I'm here at the sidewalk, and she should be wake up any minute. Wait, I have to make her wake up. Silly me. Let me throw something at her. Huh? Oh, what was that, Mackenzie? Mackenzie? Let me. I'm probably not seeing her. Mackenzie? Mackenzie? Oh gosh, I don't know where she is. I gotta go search for her. Mackenzie! 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 Mackenzie? Okay, I'm almost there. You see, I need to go somewhere else, or else she'll think it's suspicious. Okay, I'm here. Now she'll think that my stuff is in a different place, and she'll be worried. It's just a prank. She loves pranks. Mackenzie! Mackenzie's stuff is here. That means she must be lost, or worse, hurt, or taken, or she's somewhere. I don't know, but something bad could have happened to her. I have to look for her frantically. Now! Mackenzie! Mackenzie! Hey, I need to climb up there. Maybe that's the odd chances I could see where she is. Sorry, Mackenzie. I didn't know you were actually going to be there. Harmless little joke. It was a prank. Oh. Well, it was still kind of funny, but at the same time scary. Thanks for doing it. You're welcome. Prank queen. Do you want to go? Yeah, let's go home. Okay.